Hello. In this video, I'm going to give an analysis of one of the UAP UFO objects that I'd witnessed a while ago, actually in February of 2022. Now, I'm going to show a quick segment from my video. Diamond-shaped objects tilted to their sides, and I can see also a bright glow around the object. Now let's see if I zooming out. See, when I first saw the object, it was a very bright object, and I've seen the same sort of object. Okay, so see, I had zoomed in. I did it in reverse. What I'd just shown you there was a zoomed in version of the photograph. I've mentioned it before, my Google Chrome computer. Now, when I use my Google Chromebook computers, they have better zoom in features. I can zoom in a higher degree using those types of devices. But what I had seen, and I'm willing to send the people that are interested in looking at these pictures, I can send them to you. You can download them, you can analyze them yourselves, have them tested by professionals. And what I believe I have witnessed, let me back up. Some detractors, I've been on a Facebook, I'm not going to mention their name, I've subsequently left their UFO group, but they were basically slating my videos and my pictures. But one was saying that it was a planet or a plane or a drone. When you zoom in, when I had zoomed in, I could see that the object has a diamond-like shape to it. There's basically like square type of hologram type hologram type objects which are connected to each other. Now, I've never seen a diamond-shaped or square-shaped planet. Have you? So I don't believe it's a planet. It's not a drone, because these objects go very high in the sky and they remain stationary for long periods of time. Drones cannot do that. So it is my belief that these objects are of extraterrestrial origin, and that they are highly advanced alien drones or probe type of objects. So we'll see what happens, and we'll take it from there. Thank you. Bye.